Hi there, I'm JT and this is my corner. So I just bought this Honda 5-speed. I absolutely love it. And anyone that knows me knows that all my cars since I was 18 have shined like crazy. I used to wax my RV every single weekend. An RV, 19 foot, 11 feet tall. And I would be out here every weekend shining it and buffing it. Well, anyway, so I bought this little Honda. It's a 2004, which means that it's like older than dirt. However, so I saw this online, MAXL ONE, this one. And it's really expensive, but it's supposed to make your old car shine. Sorry, I'm dropping. So I'm going to test it and see what you think. All right, let's do it. Try back here in case anything goes wrong. So I'm supposed to spray it on and wipe it off with the microfiber. So I had already waxed this last week with all kinds of wax, so I'm not sure if it's going to even show up, but let's try it. All right. So I'm supposed to spray it on. And wipe it off. And that's it. Oh, look! It is shinier. That one spot is shiny. Hold on. Do you see it? Wow. That's really shiny. Look at that. So I'm going to do the rest of my car and we'll go around and take a picture of it, okay? So it was like $69 for the bottle. But look at my car. Look, look, look. All right, here it is, done. It is absolutely beautiful. I just don't know how often I can do this. I mean, am I allowed to put like 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 coats on this? Because, you know, I will. This is a 2004. Look at it. Look how pretty it is. And so shiny. And this thing was so easy to apply. It just went on really easy with the microfiber cloth. Wow. I'm very happy. I like it. Okay, it's MAXL ONE. Comes in a spray bottle. I got it from Amazon. It's made in America. And it's like $69, but look at my car. It is so worth it. All right. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.